Today, let's install Stable Diffusion on our system. First, open the link I provided to install Python. Please note that the required Python version for Stable Diffusion is this. If you already have Python installed but the version is different, please check out my next class where I will teach you how to completely uninstall Python and reinstall the correct version for Stable Diffusion. Let's scroll down and find this. Click on Download. Next, we need to download Git. First, open this link. Then click on the Download button to start the download. After you have downloaded both files, open your File Explorer and create a new folder where you want to install Stable Diffusion. For example, I will name my folder My AI Art Tool. Next, double-click on the downloaded Python file to begin the installation. Be sure to check this option during the installation process. I won't be installing it this time, but make sure you do. Next, let's install Git. Double-click to open it and click on Install. Wait patiently for it to finish installing. Make sure not to check this box. Click Finish when it's done. Then, we need to download the Stable Diffusion Web UI program. Let's open this link. Scroll down and copy this link. Then go back to the folder we just created. Click here and type CMD. Press Enter. In the CMD window, press Ctrl key and V key to paste the link and then press Enter. Wait for the program to finish executing. You can see that it's already finished here. Alright, let's go back to the previous folder and you'll find a new folder called Stable Diffusion Web UI, which we just downloaded. Next, let's download the Stable Diffusion version 1.5 model file. Now open this link. Click here. Find this file and click on the Download button. Now we need to copy our Python file location. First, we click on the Search button on the system menu bar to open the search bar. We search for Python, and then right-click and choose Open File Location. Then we select this file, right-click, and choose Open File Location. Finally, we click on this file, right-click, and choose Copy as Path. Then we need to go back to the folder we created earlier and double-click to open the downloaded folder. Find the file we want to edit, right-click, and select Show More Options. Then click Edit. Right-click and select Paste to add the path to Python that we copied earlier, and add git pull at the end. Click File and then Save, and finally close the window. Next, we double-click on the file, and when we run it for the first time, the program needs to download some necessary files to run Stable Diffusion. This process can be quite long, so please be patient and wait for a while. After the program is finished executing, select this option and press the Ctrl+C keys to copy it. Then, go back to your browser, press Ctrl+V to paste it, and press Enter. Then, you will see that your Stable Diffusion is running smoothly in your local browser. Congratulations! From now on, you only need to double-click on that file to open Stable Diffusion on your computer. We can write a prompt to test if Stable Diffusion is running successfully. Click on Generate. And we can see that the program is running in our CMD window. One important thing to note here is that we should never close the CMD window while running Stable Diffusion, as it will stop the program from running. Great job, that took quite a while. That's all for today's lecture. You can now generate your AI creations unlimitedly on your local computer. Happy creating! By the way, in the next lecture, we'll discuss some common issues about installing Stable Diffusion. If you've already installed it successfully, you can skip that and start learning about the Stable Diffusion interface. Thank you for attending to this course, and I will see you in the next lecture.